Hello, good morning and good afternoon, traders. Thought I'll do a quick Tesla update. It seems like Tesla has basically followed our trading plan today. We got step one tested 750 yesterday. We got step two completed today, the 700 test. And then, as I remarked, the 610, 620 edge would be tested with balancing potentially happening within the 640 to 660 range. Well, that balancing hasn't quite completed yet. The price did bounce back over to the weekly VWAP and faced a quick rejection there, and is currently, at least was subscribing to this downtrending trend line all the way up till here. And I'll wager that it probably continues back into the morning tiny value node here, the mini HPN here. But the main value is forming definitely around the 670 area for now. So I'm looking for a test back of 650, at which point I might enter a weekly call option. I was looking at this one over here, the 710 call, which had a low of whatever it was, 476. I did trade this actually already from the 7 level at the breakout. I traded it back to VWAP. I did not capture this move, which is just unfortunate. I just got distracted by other things, but I did capture this move once. So this is great. I'm looking for a test of 5, and I might enter one contract. My stop would be obviously day low, maybe 396 or just below 475. We'll see. But as it stands, Tesla has basically done exactly as we have asked for it to do. The look below and go got us a great extension down of over 120, whatever, 150 points. Fantastic. At this point, people over here hopefully added to their long-term positions, if not by too much, but hopefully some size a little bit. You want to capture value drops in your favorite companies, right? So anyway, so this is great for Tesla so far. So what it looks like right now, what's happening in the NQ is was consolidating a little bit right at the VWAP, but then rejected it with quite intense max volume. Let me see if I can switch the screen over to show that. Okay, yeah. So I was hoping for somewhat longer consolidation here, but it seems to have been rejected with a fairly intense bar, max volume intensity, meaning a lot of volume showed up for the size of the bar anyway, which was around 50 points. But it has now broken through the 915 level, the 12915 level, and I'm expecting a touch of 850. If it cannot withstand 850, 844, it will come to test a couple of points above the 770, 760, and might even wick out the 750 area. If it wicks out the 750 area, that is a great buying opportunity on the NQ, the micro NQ, Tesla, or whatever. We will have correlation between Tesla and NQ after that wick out. Right now, I feel like they actually are quite correlated. If you think about it, if you look at the action in Tesla and NQ, they're moving almost similarly, uh, which is good for us because we are good technicians on the NQ side, right? And if we are not so good on the Tesla side, that's fine. We should be okay. All right, guys. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Started out with the Tesla chart and showed you how it's already completed steps 1 and 2 for us, and also tested the 610 HVE for us. We are looking for it to balance. If I move back into my TOS screen, we are looking for it to balance in the six. I was hoping for a balance in the 690, 680 area to form a nice trimodal on the longer chart to the 850 trimodal, the 750. I don't think I can show that right now. What I was talking about in my videos prior. A trimodal balance between, this is terrible on the, let me see if I can just do a 50 bars to the right and expand studies. Okay, that helps. So I was looking for a trimodal, right? So mode number 1 being the 640, 50 area, mode number 2 being this new 730, 710 area, and then of course we already have the HVN at 850. So if we get a mini day or a weak balance over here at the 650, 660, 70 area, that makes a nice little stepping stone for balancing in this area, which then of course completes the trimodal 1, 2, 3, and hopefully we break out on the upside in the weeks and months to come. All right, that was it for Tesla, guys. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Please do like and subscribe.